How to scan QR code in Alight Motion. I'm going to tell you how to scan a QR code in Alight Motion. If you've seen presets or effects being shared through QR codes, here's how to import them. First, make sure you have the latest version of Alight Motion. Open the app, but instead of creating a new project, minimize the app and open your phone's camera or a QR scanner. Scan the QR code linked to an Alight Motion preset. If the code is valid, it will redirect you to a link, usually starting with alight.link or something similar. Tap it and it'll prompt you to open the link in Alight Motion. Accept the prompt and Alight Motion will automatically import the preset into your app. Once it's loaded, you can tap on the project to preview or edit it. You'll be able to customize the elements, change the text, photos, or timing, and save it to your own projects. Just keep in mind, not all QR codes work the same. Some might be region locked, expired, or lead to private content that requires access. And if the code doesn't open automatically, copy the link manually and paste it into your browser.